Welcome dear students, we are going to discuss the graph of tangent function or y equal to tan x for its complete period, and also we will discuss the graph of the tangent function or y equal to tan x from minus 360 to plus 360 degree. But before discussing the graph, first we see the table of values of tangent function. This table is from 0 to 360 or 0 to 2 pi. This is 180 pi. At 0 tan x is 0. If angle or theta is 30 degree, tan x is 1 over 3 square root and it is equal to 0.58. At 60 degree or pi by 3, this is 1.732 and so on. Look at this, 90 minus theta, this is first quadrant, and 90 plus theta, this is second quadrant, and first quadrant tan theta it goes to plus infinite, and in 90 plus theta this goes to second, and in second quadrant tangent is negative, so it is minus infinite. Similarly 270 minus theta, this is third quadrant where tan is positive, it is plus infinite, and 270 plus 0, it is fourth quadrant where it will go to minus infinite. This is for the complete period 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 360. And next, look at this table. At 0 is 0, minus 30 it is minus 0.58, and minus 90 minus 0, this is fourth, it is in fourth quadrant, it is minus infinite, and minus 90 plus theta it is plus infinite, and so on. Please note down the table. Now we come to the graph. This is from 0 to 30 degree, x-axis or angle, horizontal axis, vertically y, it is 0, it is 2 and 1, between 0 and 1 0.58, and above 0.5 it is 0.58, between 1 and 2 this is 1.5, and between 1.5 and 2 it is approximately 1.73. Similarly this is minus 1 minus 2, it is minus 0.58, and this is minus 1.73. Now keep in mind this table and we plot these points on this x and y axis coordinate plane. When x is 0, tan is 0, this point. If x is 30 degree, then tan x is 0.58, at 30 it is 0.58. If x is 60 degree, it is 1.73. This is at 60 degree and parallel to 1.73. X is 90 minus 0, it 90, it will at 90 tan is infinite, so we cannot draw, but it will approach to infinite. 90 plus 0, this is second, it is minus infinite, on the left side it is plus infinite, and on my right side of 90, mean 90 plus 0, it will go to minus infinite, curve will tend to down. At 120 minus 1.73, this is 1.20 and this is minus 1.73. At 150 it is minus 0.58, this is 150 and minus 1.5, and at 180 it is 0, and at 210 it is 0.58, 240 it is again 1.73, and at 270 minus 0 it is plus infinite, tend to upward. Now next, at 300 it is minus 1.73 to minus 1.73, this is minus 1.73 at 300, at 330 it is minus 0.5, at 360 this is 0. Now we join these points with free hand. This is 0, we join it in this way, and it goes to infinite. This is 90 and it approaches to infinite upward. Also we will join these points 0 and 270 minus theta, it will again approach to infinite. At 150 it is minus 0.58 downward. And goes to minus infinite. At 360 again 0 and it will approach to minus infinite in this way. This is the graph from 0 to 360 or 0 to 2 pi. This is the graph of tangent function y equal to tan x. Now we plot from 0 to minus 2 pi or 0 to minus 360. If x is 0, y is 0, same point. At minus 30 it is minus 0.58, minus 0.58 this point. At minus 60 minus 1.73. Then at minus 90 minus 0 minus infinite, and minus 90 plus 0 it is plus infinite. At minus 120 it is 1.73 plus 1.73. This is minus 120, it is 1.73. At minus 150 it is plus 0.58, and at minus 180 this is 0, minus 210 it is minus 0.58, and minus 240 it is minus 1.73. Again at 270 it is infinite. At minus 300 it is plus 1.73, and at minus 330 it is plus 0.58. At 360 it is 0. Now at minus 270 minus 0 it is fourth quadrant, it is second quadrant, where it is minus infinite. Minus 270 at the minus 0 mean minus 270 left side, it will approach to minus infinite downward, and at minus 90 plus 0 minus 90 it will approach to plus infinite. Now we join these points with free hand. In this way, again this is the join and it approaches to infinite. Similarly at a minus 270 it approaches to infinite, and on this side it goes to plus infinite. This is minus 270 plus 0 and minus 270 minus 0. Now please check it. This is the complete graph from 0 to 360, and 0 to minus 360 is this portion of orange color, and from minus 2 pi or minus 360 to plus 360, this is the complete graph. Again look at, this is repeatedly in the same way, and if we produce it in next way it will approach to in such a way, and same in this way it will approach to in this way. It mean it is repeatedly, and between 90 and minus 90, this is between 90 and minus 90 it is 180 repeated. Again from minus 90 to 270 difference is 180, again repeated in same way 180 to 360, again it will be repeated. It mean this is periodic and its period is 180, and you know the period of tangent function or cotangent function, this is 180. Now if we draw a line at 270 degree and at 90 degree, the graph never touches these lines and it approaches to infinite. These lines are asymptot of this graph. Similarly, at minus 90 and at minus 270 we will produce these lines, and these lines will show the asymptotes of this graph, because asymptot is a line when curve is produced to infinitely in such a way, produced to infinitely or in upward or downward, and the distance between line and curve, it approaches to 0. This is called asymptot, and these lines are asymptotes of the tangent function. Thank you.